it's Madison Keys. Please check out the Kindness in Crisis auction that Kindness Wins is currently putting on. I have a lot of cool signed gear up there. We're doing some personalized videos, so if you can, please check it out. All of the proceeds from my auctioned off items is going to No Kid Hungry.
Hey, it's Jessie Diggins, cross-country skier, and I would like you to go check out the Kindness Wins Kindness in Crisis auction. I'm auctioning off a signed copy of my new book, Brave Enough, some swag, and some selfie videos, and all of the proceeds go directly to supporting the Sheridan Story in Minnesota. They're making sure that kids without access to school lunches are still getting meals.
Hey, I am Olympic and world champion alpine ski racer Michaela Schifrin, and just want to ask you if you are able to go check out the Kindness Wins Foundation Kindness in Crisis campaign. I'm auctioning off some really cool gear, autographed gear, as well as some personalized selfie videos and even some autograph cards. All of the proceeds from this auction will go to COVID-19 relief funds.
Well, that Kindness in Crisis effort matches athletes who want to help with those who need it. New York runner David Kilgore wanted to use his skill set to help small businesses and healthcare workers. So David went on a 100-mile fundraising run around his hometown of Palm Bay, Florida. And David plans on using that money he raised to purchase gift cards from financially impacted running stores in New York City. And David says those gift cards will then be donated to frontline medical workers in New York, allowing them to purchase supportive shoes from struggling businesses at no cost to them. Here to discuss his fundraising effort is none other than David Kilgore. Thanks so much for joining us, David. This is it's a great idea. First of all, a very creative one indeed. So what inspired you to do this?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me on. I came back from New York City as it kind of started to expand in the city down to my hometown in Palm Bay, Florida to kind of get away, and as we knew that the virus is kind of getting worse up there, and to kind of stay out of that a little bit. And so I was looking for like a new way to challenge myself. So I was talking to a buddy of mine, Brendan Clark, a photographer and videographer who was out there with us. And I was like, hey, I'm thinking about running 100 miles. Would you be down to like photograph it and stuff? And he was like, yes, definitely. That sounds great. And so kind of through that, I started to kind of like connect the dots as well. I was like, well, if we're going to do this, like, I would love to find a way to connect a bunch of different people. So I kind of learned about like Instagram Live, where people could kind of jump into the screen and interact together. So I was like, what if I went for a really long run and was able to connect and communicate with people from all around the world, and they were able to work out with me, whether it was inside or outside, or run along with me. And I was like, I think that'd be awesome. And then I kept kind of like expanding the idea because I personally work in the footwear industry as well, and work with a lot of these run specialty retailers up in New York City. So I was like, okay, well, if we have this big audience as well, what if I just put up a donation page and we're able to raise a little bit of money and give back to these struggling retail partners?
David, I'm curious, how much money have you raised?
So yeah, we are up to $15,500, so right over that. So really stoked on that.
That's amazing. And any advice you would give to someone out there who's trying to figure out how they can help use their skill sets?
I would just say try to like hone in on your own like unique skill sets, and try to build off that, and yeah, use what you have, and try to give back.
It's beautiful how you're inspiring others to get out there, to keep moving, and also to help people in the process. So it's a total win-win. David Kilgore, thank you so much for sharing your story with us, and love all your running and how much you're inspiring everyone around you.
Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.